Welcome to Minleon's RGB Network Effects Controller User Guide number 4, DMX Triggering. Table of Contents, Benefits and Features, Connections, Configuration, DMX Channel Assignments, Triggering Multiple NECs, Questions and Resources. Features and Benefits. Control the NEC live and direct from your theater, stage, or commercial light desk's DMX console. Render, blend, and transition the NEC's built-in effects in real time by simply moving DMX sliders. Vary the effect speed, color, trails, and distance live on your RGB grid, Megatree, Festoon, or any other custom display. Incorporate non-RGB DMXable elements with RGB pixels in your light show. Connections. Run a Cat5 cable from the NEC network jack to the NDB and in turn the RGB lights. Run a second Cat5 from the NEC DMX in jack to the DMX board. Pro tip, a third Cat5 cable can be run from the NEC DMX out port to a second NEC's DMX in port to scale up a display. More on slide 10. A third-party Ethernet to DMX converter is needed to connect the NEC to a DMX board. Attach the converter to the Cat5 Ethernet cable running from the NEC's DMX in jack. Plug the converter into the back of your DMX board. Configuration. Assigning NEC inputs and outputs. From the main menu, set the NEC's operating mode to slave. Scroll to and select Network Setup Push to Config. Then scroll to Output 2 and select Network DDP. Scroll to Input From and select DMX port. Then scroll to and select Done Push to go back. Finally, scroll and select Save Changes. Channel Assignments. The NEC's 23 built-in effects, along with other commands such as speed, color, and distance, are assigned to specific DMX channels. DMX channels 10 through 32 are assigned to NEC effects. DMX channels 5 through 9 are assigned variable commands, depending on the effect being played, or they're assigned no commands at all. DMX channel assignments. DMX channel 5 will change the palette of most effects, from saturated to pastel to color wheel to white or to a scrolling random. DMX channel 6 will change the color on some but not all effects. DMX channel 7 most often controls the effect speed, but for flashes it controls a second color, and particles it controls the effect intensity. More on channel assignments. DMX channel 8 controls the trails on many effects, distance on expanded circles, and length on the Christmas light effect. DMX channel 9 controls amount in flashes and the pitch in wipes. DMX channels 36 through 38 will trigger effects saved to memory on the NEC. Channels 5 through 9 will act in accordance with the effects selected to memory. Multiple NECs. Refer to this network setup when using a DMX console or the NEC UI. Questions and resources. Please email reggie@minleonusa.com and reference this presentation. We encourage you to view these related tutorials: the NEC Effects Player and Light Show modes, the Network Configuration Guide, the NEC Overview, the NDB User Guide, and Power and Data Management. Thank you for your interest in Minleon RGBs.